today we're making pork chop stew with a little twist. So today I'm going to be preparing a pork chop stew, and these are the ingredients as follow. We're going to use salt, we're going to use garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, Sazon Goya, Adobo Goya. For this video we're just going to use one pork chop. We're going to use my Sofrito. Please watch the other videos on how to make Sofrito. And I have some garlic. I have some cilantro, and back here this is Culantro. I have a quarter onion chopped and some cherry tomatoes. In a 4-quart pan, we are going to seal the seasoning on the pork chop. I already pre-seasoned it with some garlic, a little bit of salt, and some pepper. I'm gonna put in a dash of oil, about 2 teaspoons. I'm gonna wait for that to heat up a little bit. We're gonna saute the pork chop for about 2 minutes on each side, just to seal in all the seasoning. And then we're gonna add up all the ingredients. I just added all the ingredients that I just showed you. We're gonna start adding in little bit by little bit the rest of the ingredients. Add some garlic paste. The aroma of all those green herbs, the culantro especially, gives a lot of good smells that you can smell in Puerto Rico. As we continue to add all the ingredients, we're going to add a little bit of sofrito. Feel free to look into my other videos to see how you make sofrito. I'm going to add a dash of onion powder. Garlic powder. Adobo Goya, and a little bit of salt. This is to taste. And at the end, I'm going to add the envelope of Sazon Goya. Smells delicious. I have a cup of water in the microwave. And I'm heating it up because you don't want to add cold liquids to a hot pan. And then we're going to let this boil for around an hour or so. Okay? See you in a little bit. I'm going to add about a cup of water. And once this comes to a boil, I'm gonna add a secret ingredient. All right, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, it's La Familia Rosa. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, so when all the new videos come out, you can get notified. And give us a thumbs up or a comment. Let us know what else you would like us to cook for you guys. Now that I have this going nice and hot, I'm going to add a special ingredient. And this is no particular brand as long as it's a beer. So here I'm going to be putting a beer in it. and I let it simmer for about an hour or so. So after this, I'm just gonna cover it up, let it simmer. Probably gonna be medium low for about an hour and a half, and then we'll see the end result. It's been around 30 minutes. Smells delicious. I added some greens in there, some spring leaves, any type of salad could do. And as we Puerto Ricans call it, this is called chuleta a la jardinera. It's basically a pork chop stew with vegetables and greens. It is delicious, and you could always accompany it with white rice. I have a little bit of white rice left over from this afternoon, and I'm going to start plating in a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is it, chuleta la jardinera, pork chop stew with some white rice on the side. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching La Familia Rosa.